New to Amazon? Here's your crash course on Seller Central dashboard. And when you make an Amazon Seller Central account, you're going to have a big dashboard. And I always recommend to use desktop, not mobile, unless you just want to quickly check your sales or check customer service. But this is going to be your main dashboard right here. And it's going to give you pretty much tell right away if your account's healthy. You've got this drop down right here. You can click on this and it's actually going to let you switch to different countries. So if you wanted to do Amazon Canada, Amazon UK, Amazon Mexico, you can go right here. Now we've got any case actions you need to take. You've got business reports right here. And you have a little launch tour and learn more. You might as well go through those: seller feedback, inventory performance index, sales, buyer messages, impressions if you're running ads, and then sales by the week. So you can see different spikes up and down. You can also see product performance. And the thing is with Amazon, they keep changing this. So they keep adding to it. Any recommendations, so you can go through these on a regular basis to improve your brand store, seller experience, getting paid faster, brand referral bonus, so many different things here that you can look into, which is really nice. And then they have all the seller news, and I do highly recommend you look into this so you can stay up to date with actual news from Amazon. These are just seller forums of people complaining about Amazon and how much Amazon messes up all the time. So just be prepared for that. But the most important things I do want you to focus on are going to be manage all inventory, performance notifications, account health, campaign manager. This is for if you're running Amazon ads, and then orders, right? So we'll just target those really quick. But when we're looking at these, and we're coming back into here, you definitely want to make sure you have bookmarks. So if you do have any important tabs, you're just going to go, for example, click on this. And if you want to bookmark a tab, for example, add products, just click the bookmark button and then it's going to show up on your bookmarks tab. And of course, you can come back here and remove the bookmark as needed, or click edit right here and remove your bookmarks, right? But the first one's going to be manage inventory. And if you go here, what it's going to do is show you all of your inventory that you have. Of course, next up is orders. So you can see how many orders you're getting, if you need to ship any orders. Performance, this is a big one, is going to be any account health or performance notifications. Pretty much this is to make sure that your account doesn't get suspended. Amazon will suspend you very quickly, especially when things are going good. You want to be checking these out every single day to check on your account health, make sure it's healthy, and make sure these are all zeroed out. If they're not zeroed out, you need to contact Amazon right away, and then double check any performance notifications. You can see we got a performance notification on this account that says you have 10 days or else you're going to be automatically deactivated on Amazon. And those are the worst type of notifications. But if you're on it and you're on it quick, it's not going to cause any issues. Now you can go here and then go to advertising campaign manager. And this is where you can see all of your ads. Now let's go through each section very quickly. And do note, a lot of the sections go to the same place. So there might be an add products tab, and there might be another tab that leads you to the same exact place, but it's just under a different area. So don't be surprised when you go through every single tab if it just takes you to the same place. It just is how Amazon is. So this is obviously mainly for adding products, right? So adding new products via upload, that's via like a spreadsheet, size charts if you're selling shoes or clothing, if you have a draft, selling applications if you're trying to sell like a brand name Nike, uploading images, and upload and manage videos. So uploading images is just another way to upload. There's multiple ways to upload images to your Amazon account. Then we've got inventory. This is where you manage all your inventory. Seller fulfilled products if you want to expand globally. Automotive, this is for automotive parts. And this is a dashboard. This is mainly for Amazon FBA, right? If you're sending your inventory into Amazon and managing it there. Pricing dashboard, if you wanted to change pricing or enable 0% installments. See all of your orders, also returns. This is only for seller fulfilled returns. Advertising, this is Campaign Manager is mainly where you're going to be managing your ads. A+ content, Amazon buying to get more reviews, deals, coupons. These are all these big discounts you can be running. If you want to have your own Amazon store, growth, these are just different growth opportunities. Most people don't use this tab. Add Prime to your site, growth, lending. Again, most people don't use that tab. These are reports. A lot of people don't use this tab unless you're looking at fulfillment reports for Amazon FBA. This is going to be your best friend, so check this out. Payments, this is obviously where you get paid and how often. Reports repository, seller wallet, currency converter. You're not going to be using these three much. Account health, we just spoke about that, super important. Feedback manager is seller feedback. A to Z guarantee claims, you're only going to have to worry about this if you ship yourself, not Amazon FBA. This is for Amazon FBM, fulfilled by merchant. Chargeback claims, again, for FBM, fulfilled by merchant. Performance notifications, you definitely need this, and voice of customer is why you're getting returns. So out of these tabs, I would say account health, feedback manager, performance notifications, and voice of manager are the most important, unless you're also shipping yourself. So if you're shipping yourself, all of these tabs are important. You've got different apps and services. You can check into these. You're not going to be using these that much. B2B, you won't be using this too much. This is to give businesses discounts. Brands, you won't be using this too much other than looking at customer reviews. And this is only if you have brand registry. You can get brand registry if you have a trademark. And then learning, which is Seller University, which is free training, which is decent. You know, you can't beat that. Forms and news, that's also on the homepage. I already showed you about that. So that's kind of the breakdown here on all of Amazon stuff. There's a lot to go through. So if I went through every page, it would just dive into a tunnel of endlessness. So what you do want to do is go through every tab yourself. Don't get confused. Don't get overwhelmed, and really just focus on these first. The manage inventory and bookmark these. These are the ones you're going to be wanting to look at every day, as well as the customer service tab. That's going to be the only other one that I didn't mention on here. And to get to the customer service tab, it's going to be this little mail icon. And that's if any customers message you, have issues, you want to get on those ASAP, because one customer could potentially make or break your business. So just remember that at the end of the day. And if you are a new Amazon seller, feel free to go to our website, EHP Consulting Group. We are giving free listing audits. All you have to do is just put in your listing information right here. And then we'll look at all of your top competitors, see exactly how much money they're making and how are they making more money than you. So you'll have an expert just give you a full free listing audit. It's great practice for us. It's a win for you. And at the end of the day, it's just going to help you with your Amazon business. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, design, seller support, and of course, growing your sales on Amazon. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.